That's good, except if you tip back, are you going to hit the wall?
I'll go forward a little bit.
Okay. So whenever you're ready to, you can start. Because I think it's cool to watch how her chair moves. So you're going to move the chair for me? Okay.
Do you want it up so you don't have to bend over?
That would be really nice.
Let me fix that first.
Because you got this fancy chair.
Okay, you want me to tilt now? Okay. Oops. Ah, you little bugger, you're not going to tilt because I went up too far. Alright, fix you. No, I can see if it works now.
Are your feet itchy?
Yeah, and I have cellulitis in this foot.
From what?
I'm on antibiotics for it.
Cellulitis where?
But it's already cleared up already, but
Okay. Was it in both feet?
no.
What is this bruise? This huge
Yeah.
bruise? What happened?
Yeah. Well, I was volunteering like one day last week, and you know how my feet stick out, and my feet were all the way pushed back on my footrest, and I turned the corner too sharp, and the pillar in veneer bred my foot smacked it.
So it wasn't anything with the staff where you live?
No.
Okay. All right, anything new bothering you on your feet? Other than that monster bruise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Better now.
So that you went in and they told you it was a cellulitis?
Yep.
My head's in my own light here.
I wish I could give you a hand.
Give me a what?
I wish I could give you a hand.
No. Not to worry. So now that the weather's nice, have you been going outside and zooming up and down the streets?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Meet any neighbors?
No. It's just such a different neighborhood. Well, I'm telling my leg, you better not hit Judy, but I wish you would.
You're fine. I don't think you've ever kicked me.
No, but
Okay, let's go over to the other foot. So what name do you want to pick for the video? You can be anyone you want. What should we call you?
give me some suggestions. I don't know.
We can call you Carol?
Sure.
Okay. So, let me just ask you, Carol. I know that we're here doing nails today, but if you pan out a little bit, do you have anybody who checks all these little, the little dark spots every year?
My moles?
Well, they're not really moles because they're flat right now, but do you have somebody who checks them every year and looks at them? Okay, because and I'm just gonna, this isn't you, I'm just gonna explain, when we worry about beauty spots or freckles or something is when they go from nice and round, like over here you can see this one on her left foot, nice and round, to a different kind of irregular shape, we would call it, and there's various colors within it. So this might be one that I would, if you haven't been in for a while, I might have your doctor check that one.
Yep.
And, you know, if you look on her legs here, you can see she has quite a few, and that's just her skin type. But when they change and they start to have irregular margins or borders, and there's various colors within them, that's when you want to have them checked out. So that is my PSA about moles. Although it's not a mole really, it's just we used to call them beauty marks. That's just like a freckle. All right, so these are all. I'm going to use the power handpiece. Okay. Got my glove there. Now, is the skin on your feet itchy right now too?
Yes.
Are they using any athlete's foot stuff on them? Because you got a lot of peeling going on here that could be just from swelling going down, but you've got it on both feet. So my sense is that you've got a little athlete's foot going on.
Again.
Yep.
See, and I'm getting real frustrated with them because I tell them my toes aren't dry enough, and they tell me, oh, I just did it. And I'm like, you have to get in between. I have a referral. Can you please write detailed instructions because I'm getting frustrated with it.
Yeah, no, I understand, because we need to treat the skin because of all this peeling around here. If it wasn't itchy, I would say it's probably just dry skin. But the fact that it's all peely and it's itchy tells me that it's probably athlete's foot. So we'll have them use the cream twice a day again. And we'll have them put
I'm still putting the powder
in your shoes?
Yeah.
Good, okay. So that's how you'll not keep reinfecting yourself. Hopefully. So yeah, we'll have them do the cream twice a day on your feet, and then should we have you come back and follow up in a few weeks and make sure it's gone before we tell them to stop?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm not, I only have a little bit of cream left in the
There should be a refill on there.
Alright,
So have them try and get a refill.
alright. And they've been using the powder, and I know that's getting low, but I don't know exactly where.
Yeah, there should be enough refills on those to last you for a while.
Okay. And my referral was in my backpack for you.
Okay.
It's multiple ones for all my referrals for this week. So it's in the gold envelope.
Okay. Yeah, I'll grab it from their backpack and I'll get it all filled out for you. And,
What I was gonna ask you, do you have any suggestions so my feet don't turn out like this on my footrest? Or
well, I mean,
the only thing I can think of is foot straps.
well, you have them on here.
Do I?
Yeah, it looks like they're just not using them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't even. That's all that good. Yeah, I can do that. And I don't want to break my foot or my toe.
That should hold it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
It's always a pleasure coming to see you ladies, and I mean it.
It's always a pleasure seeing you. Okay, so that's gonna hold your feet back, but you know, they're still sticking off the ends of your
But-
pedals.
But at least they're not out this way.
Right,
That's how I ended up hurting myself.
okay. All right, we're good.
Cool.